Hey everyone, welcome to WP Legal Pages tutorials. In this video, we'll take a look at steps to create a policy page using WP Legal Pages. You will first need to install the plugin. If you haven't installed the WP Legal Pages plugin yet, please check the link in the description box below. To create a policy page, go to Legal Pages, Create Page. By default, policy page template is selected. If you want to publish any other template, please select a template from the options. We will work on the privacy policy template. Go through the content of the template. You can edit and make changes as per your requirement. Once you finalize the draft, click Publish to create the page. This will generate a policy page. You can see the page in Pages, All Pages, and Policy Page. Click View to see the page. Bam! You've just created a policy page. Now it's your turn to play with other templates. Thanks for watching.